Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Uptop token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Uptop token just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it on Alpha, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can click wallet here in the top. You can see wallet, and then this is your wallet page. Then you can go to Alpha tab here and you will find Uptop here. You can click it, but if you cannot find it, you can back to home page, then go to search box here in the top, and then you can search Uptop. Search it, and then you will find it Uptop on Alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart. As you can see, it's not really good, I think, but yeah, maybe there is some opportunity. If you can check info here, details, you can find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is not really bad, I think it's good. And also you can check their social media. So if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant buy, which is you can just choose the token you want to swap from your token to Uptop, or you can choose limit order. You can put order here, you can put the price you want to buy, and like this. Yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.